Ka Sorkar jela kala Pynlut dunai kan rius pa tengka marwai ka baibam nak benta kitu ki bapang COVID ki basya sumar haki corona care senta keleng. Ya kani lai thu do sembut mirang ba perston tensong haba pensong ngrem ba ka jinglut kadai ka babon ba ha kani ka jingkhun ya ka khlam COVID-19. Tang katau sembut mirang ba ulo ongru ba ka jinglut ka babon kadai na ka tes RT-PCR ka basong dor kumba sawajar sispa tengka kawai. Kumta ulo ong balada sukhanyi ya ka jingpulut jang ka Sorkar nak benta ki arlak ki brio ki blasates kalapoi da ki klur tengka. Da ka bakubur ya ka jingkam umitirang ba ka jingpulut jang ka jingkhun yo COVID kalakot saka arspa klur tengka u sembut mitirang ba ulo ongru ba ka Sorkar kalapunlut bon ba ha ka bathiet ya ki ambulans kumju ya ki ventilator. Kumta halor ka niu la kentu ki pai ba kimdei satya ban sukanno ne sutharai klem datip ba ki menteri Sorkar ki klem le sahu ya ka pisa ka ba ya ka Sorkar pedeng badru jong ka Sorkar jela.
Roughly, but we are coming out with details. I will tell you, CM roughly said about 200 crores we already spent. It is true. Let me just tell you, in corona centers, in the quarantine centers, till today, I'm talking about till today, we are providing them free food. Right from breakfast, lunch, tea, dinner, and we have already calculated. It costs 600 rupees per person per day. 600 rupees per person per day. So you calculate how much it comes, and you can find out through the report given by DHS on daily basis. Number 2, the RT-PCR test, now it comes to almost 2 lakhs. You calculate 4,000 rupees 100 per test. 4,000 rupees 100 per test. You calculate how much. If it is 2 lakhs, you calculate how much it comes. 4,100 rupees per test. Then next is what? We also acquired ventilators, medical equipments in different hospitals, and then we also procured ambulances. How many ambulances you have seen it? And now it's being distributed to CHCs, and then those PHCs who does not have the ambulances or not. See, I'm telling you, the expenditure is huge, but we will come out with the details. That's why I'm telling these people, they thought that government eating everything. The members of the cabinet, it seems they are eating, enjoying with the money given by the central government as well as by the state government. But I'm telling you, the fact and the truth is, we are here to serve the people of the state. Please don't misunderstand. Not even a single pie that we take out from that exchequer, which needs to be taken care of the citizens of the state. You need to understand that. And please explain and make yourself this information. Make sure that this information goes to the public. They need to understand the reality, how much we are paying. And as I said to you, right from the month of July, other states, they stopped paying it, whereas Meghalaya government till today, we are paying everything. Testing, fooding, lodging, everything is being borne by the state.